Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport is one of the busiest and healthiest airports in the country. And why not? They have an urgent care.
Shops, restaurants, museums, and more can be found at America's friendliest airport. But a new twist on shopping and retail is also providing care for passengers who may need medical attention while traveling.
There was a survey done by travelers, and one of the number one things that they had requested to have in the airport is a medical facility, and so City of Phoenix worked to make that happen. We can treat any non-life-threatening injuries or illnesses. Some of our typical ones that we see are upper respiratory, vomiting, even foodborne illness. We can treat ear infections for those traveling with kids. We have x-ray capabilities, on-site prescriptions, lab testing, any kind of medical care for non-life-threatening illnesses. The Airport Urgent Care also has medical supplies for people traveling and family supplies, such as walking canes, bandages, wound care supplies, and then for families who might need pacifiers, formula, bottles, diapers, wipes, we can help them with that.
USCareways even offers once a year free sports physicals for area high school and college athletes.
One of the great benefits of the Airport Urgent Care is anyone can walk in any day of the year and get their blood pressure or glucose taken for free. We've seen patients and even families who have come as patients because they do live nearby. So travelers, airport employees, or even locals can get in and out in about 30 to 40 minutes with a prescription in hand. USCareways has medical staff here every day of the year, 365 days of the year, including holidays. The Airport Urgent Care accepts all major insurance, but we can see patients who don't have insurance. We accept self-pay, and we have affordable rates for if they are a self-pay patient. And then we also offer discounts for airport employees.
So next time you're traveling and not feeling so well, you can pop into Urgent Care in Terminal 4 for a quick exam, refill a prescription, or even get an x-ray, all on your way to the gate. For Inside Phoenix, I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan.